Can I beat Tower of Hecc while explaining photosynthesis? Well, let's find out. Oh. Alright. Photosynthesis is the vital process where green plants, algae, and some bacteria use. Oh, I fell. Dang it. Use sunlight, water, and carbon. Is that dioxide? Carbon dioxide. Oh my god, I can't concentrate. They use carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide to create their own food. So they create their own food with carbon dioxide and stuff like sugars and glucose. They do this because they're pretty cool, and then they release oxygen. Yeah, this happens mainly in the chloroplasts of the plant cell, I think. Using chlorophyll. Yeah. And then after that, this captures the light energy from the light, kind of like Superman. You know what I mean? And then the plant grows strong because it forms the base of most food chains and producing the oxygen we need. Yeah. So the key outputs and inputs of plants in the sun. So basically, alright, let me do this real quick. Alright. Okay, so basically, input for the plant, it's sunlight, which is energy, and water, H2O, and carbon dioxide, sorry. And outputs is glucose, so C6H12, and O6. Yeah, pretty cool, I know, right? And then after that, it's sugar for energy, like some sugar for energy, if you know what I mean. And then it is, hold on. And then it's oxygen, which is O2. Basically, these numbers and letters with like O2, they're just like chemical symbols of what that element means. So like carbon dioxide, CO2. You know what I mean? Pretty cool, right? Oh no! Oh my god, I almost fell all the way down. That was so heartbreaking. Oh my gosh. I don't think that my body weight was that heavy, because the other platforms weren't moving, were they? Or maybe I'm just going crazy. Alright. Okay, anyways, where it happens, so this happened in plant leaves. I already explained earlier that it happened in, what's it called, you know? The thing. It happens in the thing, which is the chlorophyll and itself. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get past this part first. Okay, good, thank gosh. Alright. Inside organelles, it happens in plant leaves, inside organelles called chloroplasts. Yes, that's the way. And then after that, it does a thing which makes it food and stuff. If you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, let me just do this real quick. Alright. it can also, yeah, it happens in chlorophyll. What chlorophyll is that it's like the green pigments in a plant cell. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and that's the one that absorbs the sunlight. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. I know. I'm a very good teacher, so you should stick by and listen to me tell about the worst stuff of all time. I'm a horrible teacher. Anyways, okay, let's go here, go there. Now where? So now I have to go around there. Okay. Anyways, how it works. So, did I already go here? No, I didn't go here. Alright, so basically, light-dependent reactions. Sunlight energy splits water molecules, producing ATP, which means energy. You know what I mean? Yeah. And then energy. What? I just got. Are we serious? I was going in a loop. Oh my gosh. I was wondering why I went down a lot. It's okay. My fault. That's what whoa. Okay. Now we're on blue. Anyways, speaking about blue, so sunlight energy splits water molecules, producing ATP, which is energy, and NADPH, electron carrier, releasing oxygen as a byproduct, which means that it releases oxygen as a byproduct, and that's pretty cool. I mean, yeah. Whoa, almost got me there. Anyways, okay, anyways, what I'm trying to say is that, light-dependent reactions, Calvin cycle, the ATP and NADPH power the conversion of carbon dioxide to glucose, like conversion. So like turning something into another thing. It's a pretty cool thing to do, honestly. Whoa. Alright, how far am I from the top? I'm very far away from the top. I don't know about this. I'm not good at trust. What? What's this? Alright, let's go down and check anyways, who cares? Alright. Oh, this is a gift. I don't care about a gift. I want to complete this tower. That's my gift. Alright, anyways. Okay. Alright, so basically, hold on, let me get past this part first. Yeah, so the sunlight affects plants because it's pretty planty, and it's an energy source because the heat is an energy source, and you know what I mean? The heat and light can act as energy sources. Whoa. Oh yeah, okay. Anyways, what was I gonna say now? Let me go look. Okay, now why is it important? Food source. It creates organic compounds that feed plants and indirectly all other living things. So if you heard of the food chain, these are basically the producers, and that's why they're so important, because most producers are just plants, I'm pretty sure. Like basically 99.9% of the producers are plants. Maybe all of them, I don't know. I want that smart. I'm reading off ChatGPT. What do you expect me to be? Anyways. Oh, okay, anyways, I fell down all the way down to the grade level, but that's okay, because I'm still here, and that's all that matters. Alright, let's just keep going, I guess. Now I have to go this really disappointing long ramp again. Alright, oxygen production. It releases the oxygen that feeds plant. That's essential for respiration in animals and humans. Yeah, so basically it takes away our carbon dioxide, because we breathe it out of oxygen. You know what I mean? Because our lungs turn oxygen into carbon dioxide. it takes that carbon dioxide as its own living source and then turns it into oxygen for us. So it's basically breathing the opposite thing as a human. And answer this question, who came first, the carbon dioxide or the oxygen? That's what I'm curious about. It's probably the oxygen, but I'm like not smart, so yeah, leave me something below in the comments. If this video gets over 100 views, because it won't probably. Anyways, oh. Okay, anyways, I fell onto the green level again, so this is pretty hype. I don't really like the blue level, it's pretty annoying. I'm gonna speed this up and get back to the blue level real quick. Alright guys, I'm back at the blue level, and now we're at the annoying ramp once again. But it's okay, because it's just a ramp, no jumps, and that's pretty easy. For some reason, I struggle on really easy towers, but I have pretty decent camera control. I'm just not good at, doing long obbies like this. I'm just good at all jump mode. It's a bit confusing to say, and it's a very annoying thing. Hey, you beat a, hey Garrett, you beat a, what's it called? A insane obby, I think. Intense obby. With all jumps. What's your best in, no all jumps? Oh, I don't know. Because I'm so bad and terrible at obbies without all jumps. Anyways, what am I doing? I need to explain about photosynthesis to you guys. Alright. Energy foundation. It converts solar energy into chemical energy that fuels most life on Earth. So it converts solar into chemical. Remember that, guys. Remember that. It's been 12 minutes on this level. For some reason, my QuickTime player isn't recording time. That's okay, because it's easier to not let you guys see how long I'm playing this easy level. But hey, this is kind of free. We are pretty close to the top actually, so I'm gonna lock in. No! Hold on guys, I need to get my... Okay. Hold on. Green tree leaves. The plant leaves are green because that color is part of the sunlight reflected. That color is part of the sunlight reflected by a pigment in the leaves called chlorophyll. Yes. So that's why the leaves are green, because of the chlorophyll, guys. Remember that, okay? Okay, anyways. Oh. Okay, I see. They kind of make it a little bit delicate. Okay. Luckily, I'm so good at tightrope. Oh my god. Look how good I am, guys. You have to keep your cursor in the middle of it when it works. Wow. Purple level's kind of free, honestly. Look at this. Boom, 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 bam, 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 pam, pam, wow. Alright, and most of the laughing out end up plant, everybody said, you know what I mean? And then, hold on, give me a sec. Alright, yeah. And the chemical energy is actually stored in the glucose. Did you guys know that? From the solar, it turns solar into chemical, and that's stored in the glucose. That was really cool. I didn't know that. Wow. Are you guys learning yet? I know, guys. I know. I'm like a really good explainer. Anyways, oh, death pads. This is bad. Oh. Okay. Anyways. During photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide, which is CO2, like I said before, right? And then within the plant cell, the water is oxygen. You know, they put water into the oxygen, and then they put oxygen into the water. And that basically turns it into... Hold on. I'm really stressed out. Okay. So, That turns it into. I'm gonna write it, but who cares? Oh, what is this? Okay, lock in. Okay, cool, we did it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, screw this. I'm just gonna. What is that? Oh my gosh. While the carbon dioxide is reduced, meaning it gains electrons, so it gains electrons, you know, like the negative stuff. This transforms the water into oxygen and the carbon dioxide into glucose. Wow, that is crazy! Oh my gosh, did you guys know that? Because I sure didn't. Because I'm kind of not that good in school, you know what I mean? Like, oh, that is. Does this have collision? I don't know. Okay, it does. Good, thank gosh. Go. Alright, good. What am I even on? How about it is very risky. Now what? Go back here. Oh wow, this is very nice of you, Ito. Alright, okay. Hold on. Alright guys, so the plant then releases the oxygen back into air and stores energy within the glucose. So, I just repeated that, didn't I? Yep. And then, inside the plant, cells and small organelles. And this thing just gives me okay. Oh my gosh. There's C3 and C4 photosynthesis, guys. Did you know that? Anyways, I completed Tower of Hell. 10 tickets. That's pretty crazy, guys. So now I have 5. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys like and subscribe because I'm a very good teacher. I'm good at explaining. As you can see, I thought of all my things without using AI, and I structured my sentences very good without saying too many times. And also, I'm a really good gamer, as you can see there, which I can't even do Tower of Hecc. Anyways, guys, hope you guys like and follow and hit that comment button and comment something in the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time.